Okay, so hello guys, welcome to my first gear review ever. This will be the review of Yamaha NP12. This is my secondary piano. It means that I use it on less important gigs and less important occasions, but still it's a great piano and I wanted to share you some experiences with it. So first of all, Yamaha NP12 is a digital piano that comes with 5-octave keyboard, non-weighted keyboard, although it has some resistance to it. So, you know, it's enough for me. I can play pretty decent solos on this piano, like here, for example. So like you can see, you can play something on this piano, and even when you play some more advanced stuff, you can still deliver a good solo. Okay, so like I said before, Yamaha is a digital piano, not a keyboard, because it has built-in sound, but it doesn't have background tracks and percussions and all this crap that I personally don't use, but maybe you use. Then Yamaha NP12 isn't for you. But for me, I looked for minimalist keyboard, small keyboard, and most importantly, portable keyboard. And Yamaha NP12 is great because it has it can be run on 6AA batteries, so it's great for me. I use it on the streets. I use it everywhere when I go outside. So now I want to show you how does it sound, because it's very important. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how does it sound, and I will first I will play you demo, because demo is designed for it. So here it comes. That was the demo, and like you see, the grand piano sound is amazing for such a cheap device, so I'm really amazed by the quality. So I think that's the best sound of this piano, is a grand piano sound. The second one is more, you know, like reverb, more reverb. More like grand piano actually. The first one is more like upright piano, I don't know. Yeah, so that's about it. And now we have electric piano, so this 80s Galaxy sounding piano. And also Rhodes kind of stuff. Yeah, so I don't use the first one, I use this one, but it's not so good. I like the grand piano more. Yamaha did a great job with grand piano, and I think with this Rhodes it's not so good. It's okay. It's enough for me. Then we have organs. Yeah, so these are church organs, so these aren't like Hammond organs, because I think that this device was designed for classical players actually, because we have organs and they are church organs, and we have also harpsichord, so it's not like clavinet, like for funk music, it's harpsichord. Okay. After organs we have strings, and these are, basic strings, nothing fancy, but useful. So then you have vibes, I use them sometimes. Cool for jazz music, I think. And then you have harpsichord. I never use it personally, but for classical music it would be great. Okay, so that was my review. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, click the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new content coming soon. Thanks.